getitirankine bantu fitu vichitiketete kwalisho kufisunga mu mutima so wababwalwa bulebo
Exclusive from ZambianTunes.com.
Ya babu dinga ba na mai ruwa kai. Shi ba sai ti da. Bam da ba. Daro ba yayi. Hey, big man. Parabéns. Parabéns, então, peixe. Olha o jogo, please. Sabe o que isso é? Shot. Ah, estou lá com o barulho. Shot. Ah, não ganha. Puxa. Commission of inquiry validated it so that we know who was involved. And in fact, the sooner they bring it, the better. Because over today we are almost going towards the general elections. So we know who was involved. Because personally, trust me, I don't have anything that I would want to. Besides, I don't think there's anything that's going to happen to me as a result of knowing who was involved, who did what, who did that. What I know already is enough. I know that certain things were messed up, and I know obviously that the people that decided to go for privatization, the time we are.
Okay.
Bad issue for bad issue.
Okay,
Bad issue for this stuff, and it's one method, but the best thing they can do. Okay, for the lack of making sure that there's a level playing field, they bring it earlier so that they do away with it. They exhaust it.
Okay, in Ngaranda Commission of Inquiry over privatization. Mkamba, to me, privatization is a non-starter. This thing happened in 1990, maybe 1992, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, somewhere.
How many leaders have taken up? And how many commission of inquiries over and up? But that's a result. So to me, it's a non-starter because Ngatuambo Kulanda Padi privatization. Who started it?
Yeah. There were leaders at that time.
Party president.
Minister of Finance, Shani.
Minister of Finance. A lot of them.
And you know what's funny? What's funny is that Madam President Walipo Minister of Finance it's like they depended so much on the consultant than knowing what they are doing by privatizing. I don't know if you know what I mean. It's like the consultant is the sole person who suggested. No, not really who suggested, but if you are asked the value, if it were a man, in a okay, something like that, but those people knew they knew that now what's the value that these people got about ideas that for people like economists like the then Minister of Finance, she was an economist. For crying out loud. They told that to understand the value she could have said something back then to say, are you sure we can sell these items at these prices? And like maybe 20, 30 years later, you come back to the same issue. it's to me, in as much as I understand what they might want to do, personally, I think it's not making sense.
And then come after, okay, by Tama consultants, by Sate. I don't know what they did. Whether when they sold those things, whether they underpriced the government properties. But again, there was someone who signed, who gave permission to say, okay, fine, this price is fine. Sell them. You understand? So now, ngabambo kulete diri ya privatization yapa. Nibana ni aba mbiriri ya privatization, because at the end of it's like they are targeting some certain individuals. It's like target.
That's what I said. In this, the political dispensation that we have multi-partism, it requires that you create a level playing field, especially during elections, so that everybody is able to campaign freely without being intimidation, without being followed whatsoever. So that's why I'm saying that if they have to bring that commission of inquiry, they do it earlier, so that's to allow to issue, because we know that talk of fear.
But the thing is that a commission of inquiry, quite right, will be set up. You understand? But is it for the future or for the past? That is the question. And then, how much will be injected?
Yeah, because there will be funds that will be injected.
Instead of putting money on a commission of inquiry, which will yield nothing, it's better use ishirini ndalama kubala ndawa diko awataka kwete fiaku. The problem with us, and more especially Zambians, is that ngana we die we kumuna kwati monsena abiku na abiku mama kuliaba ama youths instead of starting, because bantu bamwe mu bakaleta abake some formula ya commission of inquiry bamwe bamafumo bali kwataka ndalama. You understand?
True.
Ama youths, they are languishing. In fact, these days it was to wa college institute of Isanga. Imagine abantu amalita zabesu ama issues over the address, they are useless based on the past. What is done is done. Sentomo kuombera if you are kuntai. Ngabadi rufieni aba kumama. Let's work on those mistakes. Now, Mama, we make a commission of inquiry. Don't someone invest in Nana. Youths are anybody pay that from higher institution of education. For what? They are coming out as Zambians.
Okay, that's the question. The question, which Zambians are they talking about? That's what I mean. There are a lot of things that I'm expecting from this government. But talking about privatization, today is the last thing. I'm going through a lot right now. I can't start going back to what happened. And if I went back to what happened, is that going to bring me a job? Is that going to bring food on the table? The answer is no. No, we all know that. So when you say the Zambian people, they should specify which people. Because we know it could have people like the people that went to demonstrate in the bush. They are also Zambian people. And they've got a lot of people that they are representing.
Mkamba, Abena Pirato, they protested over something which can benefit a lot of them. In fact, all Zambians. Yeah. You understand? And then, just because this certain group of youths who were paid protesting.
We don't know their agenda. We don't
know the agenda they have. You understand? We don't know who sent them. But as far as I'm concerned, it's not as Zambians.
And you know the funny part is that the youths bari abaire muchita demonstrate na shida wakati there is a group of people that are going to demonstrate. There is a group of people that has written to the police that on this day we want to go and demonstrate against privatization. We want to know what happened. We are civil society organizations. We are students union. I didn't read any of that. I don't know. I rarely watch ZNBC news, but from what I read from social media, I didn't see where people are now I permit police na shida that now I state house wow if you are
and the hero via state house, because as far as I'm concerned, you know that they are pirate. Those are bush Protestants.
Yeah, that's the name they have right now.
Eroromba kulinawa katishinga ni town Protestants. Bena baya babapena na access. Na president the man himself was not out. But from state house. We can see unfairness.
So wait, in short, let's just have the commission of inquiries on board. Let's they exhaust the hammer issues so that come 2021 or come August 2021, at least National Fish Party we would have a level playing field.